Look, ayy, ain't gon' catch that bitch getting on my nerves. Just on the block, almost hit the curb. Most niggas been sitting on me right now. See me in person and won't say a word.
What it do, YouTube? It's your boy AJ, and we back with another video, no cap. So in today's video, on part 2 of building my dream Charger, we gonna be installing a Hellcat spoiler in this box. Oh, can't show you that, no cap. That's for the next video. We gonna be installing a Hellcat spoiler on this car. This is a 2006 Dodge RT. Feel me? This go on the 2011 to 2022 Hellcat. We finna be installing that on this RT, no cap. So I'm finna go ahead, stop by a couple of stores, cause we finna do some things, man. We gotta swap trunks, cause I don't want to take off this spoiler right there. I can't zoom in, but I don't want to take off that stock spoiler. But I got another car that I can take the spoiler off of. So y'all finna come with me today, and we finna knock out this thing, no cap. We finna show y'all how to do this shit. So when I get to Walmart, cause I gotta go get me some wrap, we finna turn up, no cap. So we finna go ahead and get that done. Y'all keep tuning in, and we finna turn up, y'all. All right, y'all. So I've been thinking about what I was finna do, right? Let me get y'all right. I've been thinking about what I was finna do, and what I think I'm finna do is, before I go get that other trunk, I think I'm finna go ahead and take this trunk off right now, because I don't got nowhere to put this trunk. Like, I don't got no space. I don't think it'll fit inside the car. I mean, fuck it. Y'all gonna come with me, no cap. We just gonna take it off, and if it don't fit, we just gonna leave this on the other car. So that's the plan right now. So we got that open. Look how that motherfucker looking though. Quit playing with that boy, no cap. So we finna go ahead, go to the other shop, go get the other trunk, and hopefully we can fit it up in this car, because if we can, we just gonna put it back up in the shop, just in case we decide to swap it back over. So we finna, shit, we just finna teleport over there. Ooh, gang, I ain't gonna lie, bro. It just took me about 30-40 minutes just to open this trunk. I'm finna show y'all what I did. I'm finna turn the camera around, cause boy, this shit just whooped my ass. Alright, so as y'all see, everything took out the car, you know, battery in it is dead. Third brake light out. I'm gonna stick y'all in there. Y'all see how I had to get there, bro? Man, I had to keep tugging on this so hard, bro. Like, I didn't have to big let out, but we got it open. We finna undo all these little connections real quick. These are size 13. You got 4 of them. You pop this little clip out right here with a flat head. And then we finna go ahead and take this off. Okay. Boom. So as y'all see, we got the trunk. I'm gonna try to have to get this up real quick. Hold on. So as y'all see, we got the trunk off. Looking real ugly back here. It ain't really nothing too much I need back here. I'm gonna try to see if I can find something back here. But other than that, we got the trunk off. We're gonna try to see if we can fit this in the back seat, or we might just slide it in the back of the trunk and then just take it over to the other shop. So we got this off. We're gonna go ahead, take these emblems off. We're gonna clean it real quick. And then, because I couldn't find no wrap nowhere in no stores, we just gonna go ahead and paint it black. So we gonna turn y'all back on when we get to the shop. So let's go. All right, y'all. So we done made it back to the shop. I'm finna move this out the way real quick. We're really just finna slide it back. So y'all want a cold start? I'm gonna give y'all a cold start every time I do this. So I'm gonna give y'all a little cold start, move this out the way, and then we finna go ahead, get to remove these emblems and paint the trunk. So just wanna get y'all, I'm finna set y'all up real quick. Cause we can try to knock this out, man. This wasn't even supposed to take this long, but had to go back to the house like 2 or 3 fucking times. So gonna set y'all up, get this right, and we finna get right, no cap.
A few moments later.
Yeah, we ain't get no cold start because the car did. So since the car did and we can't get no cold start, we finna just try to find somewhere to hold this trunk up with. What's something I can hold it up on? I guess I can move this bumper. Move the bump out the way. When we get back from Texas, no cap, don't worry about it. We couldn't get the alternator to work, but when we get back from Texas, we gonna order a brand new one, so we won't even have to worry about that no more. So that's what's gonna be up with this. We're gonna get the alternator for this. In a couple months, we're gonna get the transmission done with that. Y'all let me know, should I go ahead and manual swap this so I can quit worrying about burning transmissions, or should I just go ahead and get a rebuild one? So that's kind of where I'm at with it. I don't really know what I want to do with it yet. I feel like I could put a manual in it pretty cheap by myself by just sourcing little parts. It might not be tomorrow, it might not be the next month, but it'll be like a longer run fixed issue. Like I'd rather buy a $50-something clutch than keep putting $800, $900, $1,000 into a transmission. So y'all let me know which y'all think. So we finna get this trunk, sit it up there. We finna clean and get these emblems off, and we finna get right back to it. As y'all see, we got the badging off, and my dumb ass dropped the trunk, bro, and put a big ass dent right there, man. That shit just pissed me off. But I ain't gonna stress on it too much because this not a permanent trunk anyway. This just a bypass. We just trying to put that thing on because this trunk don't got no holes in it. And I know that when I put the Hellcat spoiler on it, I want to be able to make sure, you know what I'm saying, I can see where all the holes supposed to go. And that's why I didn't do and that's good. That's why I didn't do the other trunk, because that would have been my good trunk. And boy, I would have sure been pissed. So we finna go ahead and get the eraser wheel, get the rest of this off. And then after that, we probably gonna give it a good clean and one good sand down, and then we gonna paint this off. I'm finna set y'all back up, and that's what y'all finna see. All right, so we done use this little sand brick thing that you get from from Walmart. It got like 2 different sand grits on it, but it's soft enough not to just really tear up the paint. But as y'all see, it got a little bit of that white paint off. So it's sanded up good enough. We finna go ahead, wipe off the rest of this dirt. We finna clean it. And then we finna go ahead and mark the holes for this Hellcat spoiler so we can go ahead and at least drill the holes before we paint it. Alright, y'all, so we can go ahead and do this right for y'all. And pull these out the plastic for the first time. Let's see where you open Alright, y'all, so this probably wasn't the best way, but it's just the way I decided to do it. So I had a can of gray spray paint, and what I did was I put the screws in, and then I put it on there close as I can, and then I seen where the mark was at, then I took a pencil, and then I made lines, so when I take this off, I know that I got a drill right there, I got a drill right there, right there, right there, right there, and right here. So even if some of these are off just a tad bit, I got enough this gonna cover it, so you shouldn't be able to see it and fuck this trunk. So that's where we at right now. Alright, y'all, so I got a weak ass drill bit, or drill period. So first what I'm finna do is I'm probably gonna make this a 2-part video, so you'll probably see the other half of this tomorrow. But what I'm finna go ahead and do now is I'm just gonna go ahead and paint the trunk black to go ahead and get that out the way, and all those other marks I just do it the right way the next time, so y'all be able to see that. So what y'all finna see me do now is I'm finna just go ahead and paint it black. I'm finna close the door, paint it black, and swap the trunks over. So right now you might see me with a trunk with no spoiler on it. You never know, might like it more. So yeah, that's what we're finna get into. All right, y'all, so that's what the truck looking like right now. Not too bad, not too bad, not too shabby for a spray paint job. You know what I'm saying? Oh, ain't too bad. Still drying a little bit, but we finna let it dry a little bit longer. We might just end up finishing this tomorrow, let it dry for the rest of the night, go get me some drill bits, and then come back at it tomorrow. So that's where we're gonna leave it right now. And then when y'all come back on, we gonna be turned.
Look, ayy, ain't gon' cap this bitch, get on my nerves. Just on the block, almost hit the curb. Most niggas been sitting on me right now.